Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another unboxing and this one is from Globleland. Yeah, I haven't done a Globleland one for, it was before Christmas, way before Christmas. But anyway, they reached out to me again and asked me if I'd like to do another one, so here we are. Now Globleland is an online craft supply store and it's got some awesome products in there. Really cheaply priced stamps, dies, all sorts of stuff. So pop over there, have a look. All the links will be below for Globleland. And if you when you open it up, just check up the top. There's a little drop down bar and just make sure you mark the countries that you're in, because then that will give you the proper pricing for what country you're in. So if you're in Australia, pop the Australia one on and you'll see the proper pricing. And also you could reach out yourself to Globleland and ask them if you could do a similar sort of unboxing and some make videos with their products. Now what else did I have to say? Anything before I think that's all the housework. Is it? Oh, also, if you pop up, have a look on screen, you'll also get a coupon code that says Valita10, and when you pop that in at checkout, you get 10% off your products. So that's a little win too. Alright, so let's have a look what I ordered this time. So it's come really well packed. Alright, so my first stamp set in here is a background set. Now these are going to be fun to play with on the gel plate as well as on cards and in journaling. The second thing that I got from here is a bunch of dies, and these look really fun. I'll just cut them open. Now these dies are stitching dies, so when you cut them out, you stitch them. You use your coloured flosses and you stitch the flowers. So yeah, I've been looking at these for a while now and wanting them. So yeah, we'll have some fun with that, because you not only just do stitching, you can add beads to it and all sorts of stuff. So this looks like fun. So there's some dies. This pack here has got opened that like an ape, didn't I? If I can get into it. Gosh, I'm having a lot of trouble getting into things today. Alright, this one is a rose set. This one looks beautiful. And you layer them up, okay? So you use different colours to do each layer in the roses, or you can use this stencil. So there's two options there, and plus it comes with the little die. So the three come in the set: the stamps, the stencil, and the die to cut it out. They're going to be fun. They'll be fun mixed with this one too as a background. So that one looks fun. And then my last product is another set similar to the rose. If I can get this one open too. Come on. And this one is a butterfly set. So you get the butterfly stencil, the butterfly stamp, and the die cuts as well to cut them out. So they look fun, don't they? Yeah, they're going to be fun to do. Alright, so they're my one, two, three, four things. Okay, so this is a similar thing, the rose, to this butterfly set. and the background would look great on any of these. And then these stitching dies. Keen to get in and have a look at them. Right, so they are my products from Globleland to show you how they work. They look like fun. They're going to get me mojo going, aren't they? Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed that little unboxing, and you look forward to what I'm going to make with these products. So they'll come up soon, and I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. So if you're new here, this is an unboxing from a shop called Globleland on the internet, and all the links will be below for Globleland, and the products that you see here on screen, they will all be below as well. And don't forget, when you go in, make your account so that you can pop your favorites away and find them easily. Doesn't take much to make your account. And at checkout, don't forget, you get 10% off using my code Valentine. So don't forget to go through the links below so that Globleland knows that, you know, you've gone through me, and check them out. There's hundreds and hundreds of beautiful products in there. I've got quite a few stamps from Globleland now, and they're absolutely gorgeous, all of them. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you're new here, press that bell button for notifications, share, like, all that sort of stuff. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think of these products, and if you have some ideas on what you'd like to see me make these into, pop that below too, and I'll consider it. Alright, so stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you soon for a make video. Bye.